Oh, he's off the mark, he's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Straight Drive. Myself Jack and I'm with a great experienced guy also known as Cricketing Brain. Okay, but I'm very excited today because we are going to see overview on Chennai Super Kings squad. What a great contribution Chennai has made to everyone every single year. They qualify for playoffs and winning on 2018 and almost won in 2019 too. I think Chennai Super King would miss Suresh Raina this time because everybody knows that Suresh Raina has been one of the most significant player for tournament as well as very sublime player for Chennai Super King too. Am I right, sir? What do you think
Yes,
about?
Jack, definitely you are right, quite right. You see,
Okay.
रैना खेलता था तो सबको पता था कि रैना
Right.
है ना, रैना है ना, हाँ. और you can say two left-handed batsmen India has ever produced, great left-handed batsmen, Yuvraj and Raina. So Raina was one of them.
Right.
Raina has special ability to lift the ball when players are in. He has a special ability to hit sixes whenever needed.
Right.
When run rate is climbing up, he can hit sixes. Initially, he had a problem with short pitch deliveries, but he had recovered it.
Very well.
He is a magnificent player. He is a useful bowler too.
Okay.
So in this way, Chennai Super King had performed very well because of Suresh Raina.
Can say that.
Yes.
Right.
Dhoni is of course one, but Raina had given great contribution.
Kind of like a jam for CSK.
Yes, you can say that. And now let us look what you want to ask me ahead.
Yes, apart from that, if we look CSK squad without Suresh Raina, then there are lots of possibilities. We can see opener as Raidu with Watson as well as Murali Vijay with Watson. Okay, but I think if we consider last two seasons of IPL, then Murali Vijay, not we have seen anywhere Murali Vijay, but when it comes to Raidu and Watson, they did very well with opening pair. And yes, so do you really think that Murali Vijay get his place in this playing 11?
Murali Vijay is
Right.
setting sun.
Okay, right.
You see, he is at the end of his career.
Maybe.
He has talent, no doubt, but he is good as a backup opener.
Okay, so
He can play any kind of game. He can play any kind of game.
Right.
He can hit sixes. But at present, looking at last 3 years record, he has played only 3 matches in last 3 years.
correct.
It shows that management and captain hasn't have that much trust. So it would be very nice for CSK to go with Ambati Raidu and Watson.
Seen one new face coming to the CSK squad named as Ruturaj Gaikwad. Let's see his record. He has played first class 19 match and list A 52 match. His run in first class he made like 1193 and in list A he has made 2438 runs. His average is nearly about 40, and if we consider his both first class and list A, he has scored 9 centuries.
No doubt, he is the important player. India will
Forward,
look forward.
right?
You see, young guy,
Emerging player,
emerging player, very good average, healthy average.
healthy average.
Suppose somebody is near average,
Yes.
average near about 50.
List A in 50.
Huh.
Okay, and
So-
first class near 40.
So, all eyes would be over Ruturaj Gaikwad.
Highest possible. About Chennai is they have captain as Dhoni, and we never know how he used this all kind of mixture. But apart from that, I would like to add one universal fact that Chennai has most experienced guy, around 7 players aged above 35 years. What do you think about this fact?
So age doesn't fit. You see, it is 20 over game. So our energy level, even at the age of 40, doesn't go that much down. It's just 20 over thing. But experience can be very handy, very useful to any team, and that's what Chennai Super King has shown until today.
Right.
Right.
Right. Correct.
So, and you see, Dhoni is getting young day by day. although he has taken retirement, that is another thing.
Correct.
But Dhoni can run as fast as you can run.
Correct. Maybe one issue is there. I think most of the players of Chennai Super King haven't played any cricket recently, and we are very keen to see MS Dhoni on the field again after 1 year, 2 months, and 10 days. What do you think about that?
See, every cricket lover will watch Dhoni in this IPL very closely.
Correct.
Because this may be his last IPL season. Then you will never see Dhoni playing.
Okay.
Right? And you see, Dhoni is getting young year by year.
Yes, improvement.
He can run as fast as you can.
Yeah.
So, as far as many players haven't played since long, you see, they are not like us. They are professional cricketers. Of course, they don't play, but they keep themselves on and
On
well
its own.
tuned.
Correct.
So, it would be not a big issue for any team. Okay? They have gone to Dubai and they are practicing. They are not like us, Jack. Please understand that.
Okay.
Okay? Go ahead.
If we focus on all-rounder and bowling attack, first of all, I would like to come on the Sam Curran because Sam Curran is doing well, coming with a great series against Pakistan. And apart from that, there is also Bravo and Jadeja.
Yes. Bravo is a brave man.
Brave.
Bravo is a brave man. He can turn the game at any stage of the game. So, Bravo is an X factor. There are so many players in Chennai Super Kings. They are just like X factors.
Capable of changing the
Yes,
game.
yes. And Jadeja.
Right.
If I say Jadeja is a number one all-rounder.
You can say
Number one all-rounder.
Definitely.
If he cannot bat, if he does not perform very well by bat, he would give you performance with ball. If he can also give his best performance with fielding also.
Great thrower.
So there is always threat of fielding of Jadeja.
Perfect.
No one can dare to steal a run when ball is in the hand of Jadeja.
Kind of like a rocket throw.
Excellent throw maker. Excellent throw
We
maker.
have, so many times we have seen that.
So, uncomparable player Jadeja.
Right.
Brave man, brave.
Perfect.
So these are the players who has given great height to Chennai Super Kings.
Okay.
So they are experienced.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what average age is, that is proved very well many years ago.
Okay, let's come to the bowling attack of Chennai Super King. We have Chawla, Chahar, Imran Tahir, Mitchell Santner, Shardul Thakur. What do you think about this bowling attack?
You see, Chawla has a very nice experience.
Correct.
Handy bowler.
Good ball.
He can take wicket.
Of course.
And experience is definitely backing him.
Mm-hmm.
Then Imran Tahir.
Imran Tahir.
A very nice bowler.
Yes. Both have
He
experience.
also lifts wicket when captain needs wicket.
Of course.
So, terrific bowler
Mm-hmm.
and team man. Experience and team man also.
Right.
He threatens the opposites.
Okay.
So, you never know when he will take the wicket.
Okay. Now what about Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar?
So, Deepak Chahar would be nice.
Okay. Right.
Shardul Thakur has already proven costly many times. Deepak Chahar has shown potential.
Mm.
So he can be in our squad. But right now in Indian cricket we have very nice fast bowling combination. Otherwise, he can come in our 11. So Deepak Chahar, no doubt.
For sure.
No.
From your side. Okay, so what are your probable 11 from CSK?
Jack. According to me,
Okay.
this probable 11 would be nice for Chennai Super King. Watson,
Mm.
Ambati Rayudu,
At number second.
at number 3, Duplessis.
Correct.
Dhoni would be nice at number 4.
Okay.
And Kedar Jadhav at number 5. At number 6, Ravindra Jadeja.
Okay.
At number 7, our brave man, Bravo.
Okay.
At 8, Piyush Chawla. 9, Chahar. And at number 10, Imran Tahir. 11,
Shardul Thakur or center? What do you
depending on the situation,
maybe? Yes.
how pitch is behaving.
Huh.
So,
According to pitch.
yes, according to pitch.
Turning track or maybe
Yeah.
okay.
So, if pitch is supporting to
Fast
pacers,
right.
then Shardul Thakur. Supporting to spinners, then Stantner.
Okay guys, so these are our probable 11. I just want you to comment down your favorite probable 11 and I want you to share with your 5 friends who are die-hard fan of Chennai Super King. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and we are keep updated with very nice analysis ahead.